Flooring contractors handle way more than just slapping down floors. They're the pros making sure your home's foundation looks good and lasts long. Okay, so first off, a flooring contractor's gotta prep the subfloor, which is like the base for everything else. They check for moisture because wet floors? Yeah, that's a big no-no for hardwood or tile. Then comes installing hardwood. This part needs precision, like making sure the planks fit just right without gaps or warping. For tile, they have to lay it out evenly, cutting pieces perfectly to fit corners or edges. Carpet laying isn't just rolling it out, it involves stretching and securing so it doesn't bunch up or look messy. After hardwood goes down, sanding and finishing are key to get that smooth, shiny look that also protects the wood. Moisture testing happens before and sometimes after installation to avoid any damage later. Basically, they're juggling all these tasks to make sure your floors are solid, beautiful, and stand the test of time. One of the biggest mistakes flooring contractors see is skipping moisture testing, which can lead to warped floors or mold problems. Always test and treat moisture issues first. Another common slip-up is poor subfloor preparation. If it's uneven or dirty, the final floor won't sit right and could crack or squeak later. Fix this by thorough cleaning and leveling before anything else. Lastly, rushing the installation process, especially with hardwood or tile, causes gaps, uneven surfaces, or tiles cracking. Taking time for precise cuts and placements is the fix here. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local flooring contractors who know their stuff and get the job done right. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new work and build a good reputation in their community.